Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchalaa, Scientific Director with ZIVA Fertility Centers. What is cystic fibrosis gene mutation and how does it cause infertility? Let's try to understand. Cystic fibrosis is a genetic disorder caused by mutations in the CFTR gene. What is CFTR? Cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator gene. The CFTR gene, it's also called as the CFTR gene, provides instructions for making a protein that plays a very crucial role in the regulation of salt and water movements across your cell membranes, particularly in the respiration and digestive systems. And mutations in this gene can lead to production of a defective CFTR protein, which can affect the normal functioning of various body parts. So, what is the effect this cystic fibrosis gene can have on infertility? In the context of infertility, this cystic fibrosis gene mutation can impact the reproductive system in several ways. The first is congenital absence of vas difference. One of the significant reproductive issues associated with cystic fibrosis gene mutations is congenital absence of vas difference. The vas difference is a tube that carries sperms from the testis to the urethra for ejaculation. In individuals with cystic fibrosis gene mutations, particularly males with the 2 copies of the mutations, which is called as a homozygous set, there is a risk of CAVD, meaning congenital absence of vas difference, which means that the vas difference may be congenitally absent. It can also cause male infertility. CAVD can result in male infertility due to the absence of the vas difference, like I said, preventing the transport of sperms during ejaculation. While individuals with this issue with the CF gene mutations, they often produce sperms. The absence of vas difference hinders the normal pathway for sperms to reach the semen. Then there could be impaired sperm function. Even in cases where the vas difference is present, cystic fibrosis gene mutations may impact the quality and function of sperm. Sperms may be reduced in motility or other abnormalities may be present, which can further contribute to fertility challenges. Then there are reproductive system abnormalities. In addition to complete absence of vas difference, CF gene mutations can lead to other reproductive system abnormalities such as malformation of the epididymis and seminal vesicles, which are other organs in the reproductive system. So how do we diagnose and manage it? The first thing is genetic testing, because genetic testing can identify cystic fibrosis gene mutations and determine whether an individual is a carrier, as in to say 2 copies are not same, so it is heterozygous, or has the condition homozygous, which means both the copies have the problem. Carriers typically do not exhibit symptoms, but they may pass the mutation to their children. Then how else can we manage? Fertility assessment. Individuals with cystic fibrosis gene mutations who are experiencing fertility issues may undergo fertility assessment including seminalisis and other reproductive tests. Then there is the technology of assisted reproductive procedures. In the case of male infertility due to CAVD, complete absence of vas difference, or other reproductive system abnormalities associated with cystic fibrosis gene mutations, assisted reproductive technology such as IVF, intracytoplasmic sperm injection may be considered. This involves directly injecting a single sperm into an egg for fertilization. What we do basically is get the sperms out from your testis, especially if the case is an azoospermia, no sperms are present in the ejaculate. Sperms are extracted from the testis itself and can be used for IVF. To understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.